Welcome to our channel. If you want to add a payment method to Google Play for purchasing apps, games, and subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions to link your credit card, debit card, or PayPal account. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 3. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu. Step 4. Tap Payment Methods to view and manage your payment options. Step 5. Tap Add a Payment Method and choose the type of payment you want to add: credit or debit card, PayPal, or Google Play gift card. Step 6. Enter your payment information, including card number, expiration date, and CVV code for credit or debit cards, or log in to PayPal if using that option. Step 7. Review the information and tap Save to add the payment method to your Google Play account. Step 8. Your payment method is now linked to Google Play, and you can use it to make purchases in the Play Store. You can add multiple payment methods and set a default option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.